Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I prepare mushrooms. In a pan on high heat, add in the oil, followed by the chilies, curry leaf, and onion. Mix it well and allow the onions to fry till golden brown, stirring occasionally. When the onions are brown, add in the chili powder and turmeric and mix it well. Then add in the mushroom and stir it quickly to prevent the chili powder from burning. Then add in the garlic and mix it in well. Allow this to cook covered on medium-low heat till the mushrooms have released all of its liquid. Mix it well, but continue to cook it till the liquid has completely evaporated. When that happens, you can add in the tomato, as well as some salt to taste. Mix it well and cook covered till the tomatoes have softened completely. That should take about 5 minutes. Mix it well and it's ready to serve with your choice of roti or bread. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!